Gentlemen, today we're looking at word problems that use division, and when you read them out, I don't want you to forget about the partial quotient strategy. Even though the setting out of problem solving questions are a little bit different, the maths, the steps that you have to take are the same. The working out is especially important. So I'm going to read this problem to you, and the very first thing I'm going to do before I get started as well is take out a nice little highlighter, because I love seeing people highlight the important parts of their questions, particularly in tests. So this question says, Mr. Hackett buys a phone for $486 and a laptop for $1,350. He makes equal monthly payments over 6 months. How much does he pay each month? Now, if that question is a little bit confusing to you with this stuff about equal monthly payments, all of that means is that whatever total amount of money he spends, he divides it by 6 and then pays that much amount each month. I might have confused that there. I hope that makes sense. So I'll show you the steps involved for how to do it. First things first, I've got to work out what the laptop and what the phone cost together. So we're going back to old school addition. Here's where people make mistakes on their test because they think, oh yeah, addition's easy, I'll be able to rip through this. They don't set their algorithm out properly. They make mistakes, they lose marks. So 6 ones add 0 ones is 6 ones. 8 tens add 5 tens is 13 tens. Going to carry that 1 over. 400s add 300s is 700s. Add 1 is 800s. And 1,000 plus nothing is 1,000. So I know Mr. Hackett spends $1,836 on his phone and his laptop. I wish I had that much money. Now, to work out how much he pays each month, he's paying it over 6 months. So I need to divide by 6. I'm going to look to use my partial quotient strategy here to make it easier. So I'm just looking, can I see any of these parts that are easily divisible by 6? I know 18 goes into 6. So that's 1, 8, and it's 1800. So I've got my 2 extra ones. And I know 36 divides into 6 easily. So I've broken it down. Now I'm writing it in my number sentence. 1,800 divided by 6 and 36 divided by 6. I'm just going to drag my face out of the way here. So the way to do this off the top of your head is to cover up those 2 zeros. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Add back on the 2 zeros, so it's 300. And 36 divided by 6, I really sincerely hope that's an easy one for you. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So to come up with my answer, I just do 300 plus 6, which will give me 306. Because my working out's a little bit messy, I'm going to write down the bottom here. My answer is $306. I've got that dollar sign there. That's very important. So if you're working out set layout like this, that should be enough to get you full marks. Please read the questions carefully. That's the biggest way you'll make mistakes, is just to misread the questions. If you have something like equal monthly payments, what does that mean? Just step it out like I've done. It'll make sense if you take it slowly and really think about it. I want everyone to do really well on their problem solving on the next test, because I know you're all really capable and you really get it. I want you to prove it on a test. Good working out, good answers. That's what I'm looking for. Thanks, boys.